Think it's too late to retire a millionaire? Think again. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or even 50s, it's still possible to hit that magic $1 million goal. Stick around as I break down the exact steps to build your retirement wealth, no matter when you start. The $1 million mindset. First things first. Retiring with $1 million is totally doable, but it starts with the right mindset. Here's the truth. It's never too late to start. Every dollar you save today is a dollar that works for you tomorrow. You don't need a huge income to make it happen. Smart saving and investing are the real game changers. The key? Consistency. Even small steps, taken consistently, can lead to massive results over time. Now, let's dive into the steps to turn your dream into reality. Step 1. Calculate your retirement number. To hit your $1 million goal, you need to know two things. 1. How much you'll need each year in retirement. 2. How many years you plan to spend in retirement. For example, if you plan to retire at 65 and live until 85, and you'll need $50,000 per year, that's $1 million. Simple math, right? There are tons of free calculators online to help you estimate your magic number. Once you have that, it's time to plan your journey. Step 2. Start investing smart. This is where the magic happens, investing. Even if you're starting late, compound interest is still your best friend. Here's how to get started. 1. 401k contributions. Max out your employer-sponsored retirement account. Most companies match contributions. That's free money. 2. IRA accounts. Open a Roth or traditional IRA to take advantage of tax benefits. 3. Index funds and ETFs. Low cost, diversified funds are perfect for beginners. The key is to focus on growth-oriented investments. Even if you're older, you can still aim for 7-8% annual returns by investing wisely. Step 3. Cut expenses and boost savings. Saving more doesn't mean giving up your lifestyle. It means being smart with your money. Here are my top tips. Track your spending. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you see where your money goes. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and cook at home more often. Downsize big expenses. Moving to a smaller home or driving a used car can save you thousands. Every dollar you save can go directly into your investments, speeding up your journey to $1 million. Step 4. Create passive income streams. Want to supercharge your retirement fund? Build passive income streams. Here are a few ideas. Real estate investing. Rental properties can provide steady cash flow. Dividend stocks. Earn regular payouts from strong, reliable companies. Side hustles that scale. Write a book, create a course, or start a blog that generates income over time. The more income streams you have, the less you'll rely on your savings alone to retire comfortably. Step 5. Stay disciplined and avoid pitfalls. Finally, consistency is key, but it's just as important to avoid common mistakes that can derail your plan. Here's what to watch out for. Emotional investing. Don't panic sell when the market dips. High interest debt. Pay off credit cards and loans ASAP before focusing on investments. Lifestyle inflation. Avoid upgrading your lifestyle too quickly as your income grows. Sticking to your plan is how you turn long-term goals into real-life success. Encouragement and call to action. Retiring with $1 million might feel like a dream, but it's absolutely achievable, no matter when you start. All it takes is a solid plan, smart saving, and consistent investing. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest retirement question? I'd love to help. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a little retirement inspiration. I'll see you in the next one.